morning, skiers and riders. It's Cassie here with your Friday, February 15th Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. It really feels like the storm was just here, but the conditions were shredding on this morning. We're bringing you 25 freshly groomed, thanks to our team, and packed powder trails operated by 5 lifts. The morning will be cloudy with temps in the 30s, then increasing to a high of 47, with rain later through the day. So carve up the icing on the cake while it's still fresh. This Sunday is Sunday Fun Day Yoga with Kate's Powerhouse. Come for a core strengthening yoga class, followed by brunch cocktails in the Copper Top. A perfect way to spend a relaxing Sunday. And starting tomorrow, Saturday the 16th, will be vacation week until the 24th. Go online to our calendar of events for more details. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Go check us out on all our social media, and I will ski you on the slopes.